Okay, so you just can't keep me away. It is hurricaney like a mofo. I am just walking. What's up? What's up? I mean, the ground is like saturated. Whew. I'm not gonna leave my phone out too long to record because it is just coming down. But I figured I'd show you guys what I'm playing in right now at Rogers Park. There's just tons of wet spots. Oh, hey, look, it started to calm down a little. Oh, isn't that nice? I didn't quite see my ball. It looked somewhat straight. I think I'm up on the correct path. I think I see it. So, actually, it just calmed down a little. That's nice. I can play in this. But wow, look at the course. It is saturated. Saturated. Anyway, I'll go ahead and I'll record at least this shot. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Ominous. All right. Get my little stick thingy. Oops. Back here. Right. Assuming you can see. That's crazy. Yeah, so I'm not awesome at chipping in the rain, especially when there's this much water in the ground. I haven't figured it out, the skill. I usually chunk it. Yeah, I'm not gonna hit from the Great Nile here, or whatever the hell they call it. Oops. Go ahead. I don't know where the pin is. It should be in the back, I think. So I think on these, I'm almost going to have to get ball first at any distance. Try to do that. That was a little better. By the way, I like the dry hood. Works pretty good. Anyway, let's see where this hole is. There. It's back to the pin. So I should be back here. The lens. Doesn't have a lot of water on it. figure out the speed. Yeah, it looks like the phone's still recording. Yeah, this is actually not too bad right now. Man, it was driving a second ago, or a couple minutes ago. Anyway, this is a lovely Rogers Park. You think they got the water in the coolers? No, they're closed. There were some guys out on the practice range when I pulled up, and I do feel like they were giving me weird looks. You know, it didn't rain. Oh yeah, a giant puddle. It didn't rain all morning, that to my knowledge, from at least the time I woke up, which was like 8 o'clock, something like that. And so I figured, oh, okay, maybe we're not gonna get a lot of rain today. I'll head up to Rogers. And I was just figuring, okay, maybe I could get 4 holes in before any rain comes. I literally, as soon as I started unpacking my vehicle, it starts raining a little bit. As I get closer to the hole, more. I get halfway down hole 1, it's practically pouring. And then hole 2, forget about it. It was those were hurricane rains. We're on hole 4 now. This may be my last hole because it's hard for me to see. I got speckles all over my glasses, and although the rain's not too bad right now, I can tolerate that. But the course is just wet. My ball's gonna hit those water patches and just stop. All right, let's see what we can do here. But not that low. I guess the upside is it was straight. Oh shit. All right. This is going to be hard to find. It went straight, but it didn't get more than a foot off the ground. And I think it stopped in one of these puddles. Whew. Man, look at that. Look at all that water. That is saturated. Well, my cart's getting clean, I guess. So, I don't know. I feel like in conditions like this is normally a par 4. It should be a par like 6. If I end up with like a 6 or 7 on this hole, I'd be happy. Yep, I'm in the water. Well, again, straight as hell. Dumped into another water puddle. So, not going to be getting any roll today. By the way, I don't know, do gators come out in this kind of weather? Probably need to watch for snakes too. Woo. Okay, the other downside about playing in the rain, when you're pushing your cart, everything's heavier and the cart or the grass is harder to get through. I'm already running out of energy. Alright, yeah, there's my ball in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean there. I guess I'll just go off to the I guess the nearest point of relief would be over here, I guess. Although there's a little spot there. I wonder if in the PGA they make you take that little spot. I should be taking more club. Let me see what I'm shooting here. I don't know if I should be taking more club because of the rain. I'm just going to try to make good contact. See that one. I did not see that one. I tried to sweep it a little bit more, like, so I wouldn't be coming down on the ground and end up chunking like I have been. So I'm probably gonna go, although I would say I was going to look a little bit on the right side, but technically the swing is lightning. The swing is a little bit more inside out, so there's a chance it could have hooked. But I got all these speckles on my glasses, so I can't see shit. Huh. If you guys see it, yell out to me. Well, the upside is because of the wet ground, it shouldn't go too far. It wasn't a terrible hit. It was actually probably one of the better strikes today in this. Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, I must have hooked it. I think I see something over by that tree. Maybe not. I don't know. Everything looks like a ball to me. Yeah, that's not a ball, I don't think. Shit. So, now here's the problem. Oh, wait, is that it right in the middle? Hey, I'm right in the middle. I think I'm in that water. I found another waterway. Cool. All right. Okay, let me just back a little bit more. This should be a front pin. one's left and right though. So I'm going to try to sweep this instead of... That actually worked out really well. It actually went farther than I thought. But that was actually a good sweep technique. So I think the hole is right there. Alright, I wasn't even paying attention when I'm lying. I don't know, you guys can yell at me later when I call out the wrong score. The hole's like, I don't know if you can see, it's right up in here somewhere. Alright, I don't know what score that was. Definitely wasn't too bad though, if I remember correctly. I hit the drive, hit the 4-iron. I think I hit another puddle. So I think I was 60 degree, was on the green, 2 putts. It's a 6. I said if this is like a par 6 for me today in this weather. All right, I don't know what to do now. I don't really want to go play 5 because if things start picking up, it takes me too far away from the stuff. Well, I mean, I guess I could play 5 and then 4 back because I'm kind of not done. I want to keep playing. If you look over there, you can see the parking lot is empty. There's one vehicle there, that is mine. Yep. Neither rain, nor sleet, nor snow, nor Publishers Clearinghouse. You can't keep me away. By the way, I am on call for work today. So my phone is in my golf bag. So that could also ring at any second too, you never know. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to record anymore because I don't want my phone getting totally saturated with water. So I think I'm going to sign off. And it's actually not too bad right now. It's just raining just a little bit. So hope you enjoyed Fran's dumbass playing in the rain. Rogers Park.